We're talking butternut squash today with this roasted vegetable couscous salad.
So we're going to start by roasting our vegetables. We have not only butternut squash today, but we're doing sweet potato and Brussels sprouts.
It's high in folic acid, vitamins, fiber, potassium.
And what's great about roasting, it brings out the sweetness, it adds so much flavor, and you really don't have to add a lot to it. We're going to toss the vegetables with olive oil, maple syrup, and a little salt and cinnamon.
I'm liking it.
Okay.
As I was saying, butternut, no, don't 1 second me.
No, I'm gonna put them in the oven, and while they're roasting, you're gonna have so much time to talk, okay? So these are gonna roast at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes till they get nice and golden.
It is one of those vegetables you can store for a very long time if stored properly. How to pick a butternut squash? It should be firm, heavy, the stem should be unmarred.
So while our vegetables are roasting, we're just gonna make a quick dressing for our couscous salad. So we have olive oil. Did you wanna help or you wanna just watch?
I'm happy to watch.
We have a white balsamic vinegar. You can use regular balsamic, but sometimes if you don't want the color of your salad to change, I use white.
Does it taste the same?
It tastes the same.
Sorry, what?
It's a little bit sweeter, but it pretty much tastes the same.
Okay.
We have maple syrup, salt and pepper, and Dijon mustard. The vegetables are out of the oven, so we're gonna add them to the couscous.
That's Israeli couscous, right?
Yes.
You add them, Lily.
And then we're gonna add pomegranate seeds, dried cranberries, and some toasted almonds. Dress that, then there's your lunch.
This looks awesome.
For this recipe, see below.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that was part.
Yeah, that just happened.
Like, I find the spooning thing was
Yeah.
an interesting choice.
Yes, I can multitask. I can talk and spoon at the same time.
For more delicious butternut squash recipes, go to bitememore.com, subscribe to our videos, and press like.
All over the place. You make a mess on my counter. Or Julie's counter. Whatever.